Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Nike promo codes. First, open your browser and search for www.nike.com/promo codes. And here it is, the first one. Here you can find this type of page. After entering this URL, you will find this type of page where you can find all the promos and discounts offered by Nike. Actually, they don't offer, or they don't accept any promo codes in Nike. You can get all the promotions and discounts in this page for according to the month or occasion. You can find different kind of categories like men's all sale or women's all sale. You can find all the sale, all the dresses, all the equipments in one place. For men's and for women's, the section is different. And in this men's section, you will find, for example, I'm going to show this. There is a 29% off. You can see here in this shoe. Also, you can get 40% off, and here in the new markdown, and the new markdown 29% off, 35% off, also 35% off on new markdown. Those are so high quality products which they are offering you with a discount, a huge discount, and these all the products are on sale, so grab them in time, and that's how you can join their promotions and get the products from Nike with a healthy discount. You just need to stay tuned with Nike's official website or newsletter or social media to get the latest promotional program, to join the program and get some awesome and exciting deals and discounts. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.